Assalamu alaikum everyone. At first, take my salam from the core of my heart. At first, you go to Google Play Store and your phone. Check now, update or install Alibaba apps. My phone already this app updated. So you back, open your Alibaba apps on your Android device or iPhone device. You go to profile or account section. Go to profile account section and scroll down until you find a language option. Tap language, pick up preference language. The app may restart or refresh its interface to apply the new language. Save or confirm it. Prompt. Finally, my phone Alibaba apps language change. Please, thank you watching your video. Subscribe my channel.